Hey my beauty families, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I'll have for you this look I'm wearing, which is a very nice soft glam beginner look. It is an easy look for you beginners. Warm tone look, easy to wear, wearable shadows, and you can find them everywhere in affordable prices. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows, as usual, with my Cyan Eyebrow Styler 11 Medium Brown, which is this, my pencil for brows. And then I have sculpted them up with my Fit Me Mapping Concealer in the shade 20, with which I have prepared my lid, and I have set up my lid with my Sabrina Rudnick pressed powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friends, I will use this little palette, and I will start with that for transition shade, which is a light orange. I will do a full glam look, but very easy for you to wear it. I start with this color from the inner part of the lid to the outer part, back and forward into the crease. Always tap off the excess of the shadow from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner. Then I will take this, which is a very nice khaki color, and I will apply it into the crease and a little on the outer corner. Just right with a smaller brush into the crease. I really love this warm color. And I will pull the shadow on the outer corner and a little down, upward down the end of the eyebrow. And I will continue inside with a flat brush by Cosmo Fan number 110, and this very nice shimmery yellow, gold yellow color, and I will apply that onto the lid. Very beautiful warm tone color, full glam look, beginner's look, easy for you and to find the colors and to wear them in all the cases and to fix it, to make that look. And I will apply that color on the inner part. Of course, under the brow bone, I will apply some highlighter. This is by Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and I will apply some of that under the brow bone area. It's one of my favorites, very nice. This is the Molten Gold highlighter, and a little of that on the inner lid, the inner part of the eye. Now I'm going to do my other eye, my friends, off camera and coming back. My eyes are ready. Now I'm going to take my brown eyeliner by Precision Eyeliner Chocolate Brown by Tommy T, and I will apply some only on the last root, a little thin line, not a cool pulled up eyeliner, just a line onto the last root to give some depth into the eye. My eyeliner is ready, and now I'm ready to move on to my lashes. In this case, I will wear these lashes, which are thin but big, very long lashes. Before that, I will use my lash curler, and I will apply my Mon Rêve Black Vortex mascara, and then I will wear my false lashes. Coming to Going to wear them off camera, my friend, and coming back soon. My lashes are ready, and now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. As we have told many times, before I started my makeup, I have done my whole skincare, my serums, my eye cream, my day cream, my SPF, and now I'm going to move on to my MUA Pro-Based Oil-Free Primer before the foundation. This is a moisturizing primer for me, which I have dry skin, combo to dry. We have told that if you have an oily skin, then you can choose a more mattifying primer, but I always choose more moisturizing primer, and I apply it onto the neck. In this case, I will use my classic True Skin 030 Neutral Sun, and I will mix it with my L'Oreal Infallible 32 Hours All Day Luminous 220 Double Sun. This is very light, and this is an undertone darker because we are going into the summer. I will take my Kabuki brush by Cosmo Fan number 104 and applying on that my foundation. And some of the L'Oreal. I will start to apply that onto the face, and I will continue with my wet beauty blender. This is the best technique. Start with a Kabuki brush and continue with a beauty blender. And always we apply the product and down to the neck. Continue with my NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I'm applying some quantity onto the inner lid, on the outer part of the eye, some dots on the nose, some product on the mustache area, and some product on the chin area. And of course, applying with the beauty blender as we always do. A tip for you is to apply every liquid product onto your face very quick, because and foundations and serums and liquid blushes, bronzers and concealers, they are getting dry very quick, so we have to apply them quick. Continuing, Bronze Skin Mon Rev liquid bronzer on to the cheeks with the same way on the jawline, on the lips, applying it with that type of Kabuki angled brush, and then continuing with my beauty blender to apply the product. MUA Liquid Cream Blush Misty Rose. Let's see if it has some. I will use that type of brush. This is at the end, but maybe it has some of that. Yes. It is a very nice, Misty Rose is a very nice coral blush, liquid coral. This I'm applying it with this type of brush because I noticed that with my wet beauty blender it is absorbing the product, so I started to apply it with that. Of course, my Shine Glitter Padding Golden Rose, it is a very nice rose gold highlighter. This I will apply it with my fingers, and of course I will take in my beauty blender. It is so much this product and intense. Continue with my eyebrow loose powder. I'm gonna take that powder to set up the under eye area. I will do some little bake, as you see. I will leave it just for 1-2 minutes till I will apply my MUA Bronze Perfection, my bronzer. Onto the same point we have applied the liquid product. My Candle blusher, a very nice blush, coral blush. And of course, my infallible highlighter. Going to take off the excess of the powder. Baking, it is an easy step to do, especially if you want to take some photos for your Instagram. You have to do bake. You will look more brilliant, more shiny, more white. Nice technique. Sometimes I use it, sometimes not. Going to end up with my under eyes, continue and applying the same shadows we have applied onto the lid, starting from the very dark shadow. This is the khaki shadow. I apply that on the bottom eye. Then I will take the crease color to smudge the bottom eye area and the lightest yellow for the inner lid. I will apply some blue liner on the waterline area inside. And one coat by mascara, Maybelline the Colossal, on the bottom lashes. On the upper lashes, we have applied mascara before we have weared the false lashes. And the last step is the lips. Tommy D Smart Lip number 5, a very nice coral lipstick, lip liner. And Huda Mary 05. This is a deep coral color, as you see, very nice liquid lipstick. And of course, fixing spray, I Heart Revolution, the last step, so we can have our makeup last during many hours in the day. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. This is a very nice, soft glam look, a beginner's look. Easy technique for you to start and to continue. Easy for you. And warm colors, my friends, beginners, for you when you are at the beginning of your career, the most easy way and the most easy colors to have a very nice, perfect look is to choose warm colors. And then when you will find and learn the techniques, then try and cool tone colors. Start with warm tone colors and the most of them matches to the most skin types. So my friends, If you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!